Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Google Play Games beta on PC error code 536870755. The error reads, "Please try again later. An error occurred during installation." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to download or install games through Google Play Games on PC. Users have reported that their downloads get stuck at preparing 5% and never progress further. According to our research, this issue may be caused by incompatible system requirements, outdated software, or a problem with Google Play Games itself. To deal with the error first, check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for running Google Play Games. Also ensure that both your operating system and Google Play Games are updated to the latest version. If updates are available, install them and try again. If the error persists, visit support.googleplay/workflow/111898842 to access the official Google Play Games self-help tool. Give this a try and see if this helps. If none of the previous steps work, try reinstalling Google Play Games. Simply uninstall it completely from your PC, then restart your system, then reinstall it and check if the issue is resolved. If you still see the error, you may need official support. Visit support.google.com/googleplay/gethelp and report the issue to get further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.